You can use these steps to add Statcounter to your Shopify store. Click the gear icon on the right and then reinstall code. Click the link in the middle to open up the Shopify App Store and then click Install. Click the Install button again. When you go through these steps, before you see this screen, it may show you a different page where it's actually installing the Statcounter app. I'm going to go back to Statcounter and copy the project ID and paste it into the top. Copy the security code, paste it into the second box, and then click Activate. And then come down and click App Embeds. We're just going to make sure that the Statcounter is toggled on, which it is. So at this point, the Statcounter is installed and tracking all of the pages of your site. Thank you very much, and let us know if you ever need anything.